In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to Notebooklm audio overviews languages. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Notebooklm website. Once you are on the main dashboard, take a moment to look around so you know where everything is. The key area you will use first is the option to start a new notebook. Next, click the button labeled Create New. This creates a fresh workspace where Notebooklm can organize your materials and generate an audio overview based on the sources you provide. After you click it, a pop-up will appear prompting you to add sources. Now upload your sources. In that pop-up, select the files or links you want to use, such as PDFs, YouTube links, or files from your drive. The goal here is to populate the source panel on the left side of the screen. Make sure the sources you choose match the topic you want the audio overview to cover, because Notebooklm will rely on these materials when it generates the podcast-style audio. After your sources are loaded, find the Audio Overview button and click it. Notebooklm will begin generating an audio podcast automatically using the information in your source panel. This is the fastest way to get an overview without changing any settings. If you want more control, you can customize the audio before you generate it. Look for the pencil icon next to the Audio Overview option and click it. This opens a space where you can provide specific instructions for the audio. For example, you can tell it what topic to focus on, choose the language you want the audio overview in, and set the length to short, default, or long. You can also pick a format, like a deep dive for more detail, or critique for a more analytical style. When you are satisfied with your settings, click Generate inside that pencil menu. Once you start generating, give it time. The system needs a moment to process your sources and create the final audio, so wait until the generation is complete. When it is ready, you can listen to the audio directly in Notebooklm. You can also download it as an MP3 file or share it using a public link, depending on what you need. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.